Did you know that the average American consumes over 150 pounds of sugar each year? And a significant portion of that comes from just one source: sugary drinks. Today, we're diving into a topic that might change how you think about your daily sip. Here are 9 ways your favorite drink can add weight to your waistline and how to fix it. Number 1. The hidden culprit. Let's start with the elephant in the room, or should I say, the soda in the fridge? Sugary drinks, especially sodas, are often the biggest source of added sugars in our diets. A single 12-ounce can of cola contains about 39 grams of sugar. That's nearly 10 teaspoons. Number 2. The calorie bomb. That same 12-ounce can of soda packs about 150 calories. Doesn't sound like much? Well, if you're having just 1 can a day, that's 1,050 extra calories a week. In a month, that adds up to over 4,000 calories, which equates to an extra pound of body weight every month. Number 3. The insulin roller coaster. When you drink a sugary beverage, your blood sugar spikes rapidly. In response, your body releases insulin to bring those levels down. This insulin spike can lead to a crash later, leaving you feeling tired and craving more sugar. It's a vicious cycle that can lead to weight gain and even increase your risk of type 2 diabetes. Number 4. The liquid calories trap. Our bodies don't register liquid calories the same way they do solid food. You could drink a 200-calorie soda and still feel just as hungry afterward. This means you're adding calories without satisfying your appetite, making it easier to overeat. Number 5. The domino effect. Ditching sugary drinks isn't just about cutting calories. It can have a domino effect on your overall health. When you stop consuming these drinks, you might notice improvements in your energy levels, skin clarity, and even dental health. Number 6. The sneaky sugar sources. Now, I know what some of you might be thinking. I don't drink soda, so I'm safe, right? Well, not so fast. Sugar hides in many popular drinks. Fruit juices, sports drinks, and even some healthy smoothies can be loaded with sugar. Be sure to always check the label. You might be surprised at what you find. Number 7. The artificial dilemma. But what about diet sodas? While they might seem like a good alternative, artificial sweeteners come with their own set of problems. Some studies suggest they can actually increase cravings for sweet foods and may disrupt your gut microbiome. Plus, they don't help break the habit of always needing something sweet to drink. Number 8. The water solution. So what should you drink instead? The answer is simpler than you might think. Water. It's calorie-free, essential for your body, and can even help boost your metabolism. If plain water sounds boring, try infusing it with fresh fruits or herbs for a flavor kick without the sugar. And number 9. The transition plan. Now, we know quitting cold turkey isn't easy for everyone. So here's a simple plan. Start by replacing just 1 sugary drink a day with water. Each week, replace another until you phase them out completely. Small, consistent changes can lead to big results over time. Remember, making this one simple change could be the key to losing those stubborn 5 pounds or more. It's not just about weight loss. It's about taking control of your health, one sip at a time. Here are some practical tips to get you started. Keep a reusable water bottle with you at all times. Experiment with herbal teas or sparkling water for variety. And if you're craving something sweet, try eating a piece of fruit instead. For more information and support, check out the resources linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe so you can stay up to date with all our latest content.